Hello dear friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a very powerful, significant and different video. Different in the sense that you will be getting the powerful results and you will never ever gonna face any other problems. You just need to pee. Pee means you need to urinate in the morning time while saying your partner's name 3 times, and your partner will be completely in your control. Whatever you would say, he or she has to do it completely, and you will be completely master of that person. Master means whatever you are going to say, that person is going to do it. Now dear brothers and sisters, it's a very simple, tested and effective spell which has been used by our couple of masters, and upon the feedback of our viewers who were based in the UK, in the US and in the UAE, that they had done this spell, and the results of this spell is too powerful that once we have done it, immediately we have got the results. Second thing, dear brothers and sisters, this spell is too powerful. You try only on one condition, that if you are able to handle the obsession of this spell. Obsession of this spell means that your partner will be completely mad for you, will be completely after you. Whatever you would say, your partner will do. You will not be able to move away from your target person. You have to give him her undivided attention, because he or she would be giving you the same. If you do it, then only try this spell. If you cannot do it, then please we request you, don't ever try to do this spell. Don't ever. If you are not able to, or if you won't be able to handle the love, obsession, care, respect and possession of your partner, then do not do it. If you are able to handle it, you are free to do it. Dear brothers and sisters, first of all, before trying this spell, for first 15 days and nights, 10 plus 5 equal to 15 days and night, you have to make sure that you do not consume any alcohol. You do not eat any non-veg item like any fish, lamb, chicken, any kind of meat you cannot eat. These are the two prerequisites of this spell to work. One is that you will not eat any non-veg. Non-veg means non-vegetarian, means fish, even egg is included, that you cannot eat egg for the first 15 days, and no alcohol for the first 15 days. On the 16th day, in the morning time, when you get a call of the nature, natural call, that is you are feeling like urinating, at that time you are going to think about your partner while urinating, and will chant these powerful words, right? Bandhan. Bandhan means a kind of bonding. A kind of bonding is required. Bandhan Kareem means happening. Your name and your target person name would come. Your name and your target person would come, first name only. Samuti. Samuti means the god of love, care, affection should make a bonding between you and your partner. While urinating, you have to read this spell 11 times. And your thought process, your mind should be completely towards your partner. Once you are done, there is no material required. It's a material free spell. Immediately on that particular day only, your partner, he or she has to come to you, and if he or she kisses you at hand, forehead, cheek, or even on lips, it means that your spell has worked. You need not to do anything else. Your spell is going to give you the guaranteed results, and you will never ever gonna face any other problems. If you have any doubt regarding this spell, or if you want to know anything else regarding this spell, then you can ask us on the number which is there on your screen right now. We would love to answer all your queries, and I request all our viewers that please don't forget to subscribe this channel for latest updates and notifications. Till that moment, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.